Hey, Bri, baby.
Okay, great. So hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bri, aka Promote Bri. Yeah, so today I'm going to be talking about cold sculpting. So I found this kit off of Amazon, and it is a at-home fat freezing system. So pretty much like at-home cold sculpting. So this is the box. Yes, I've been trying to like kind of lose weight. That's been like my New Year's resolution. So yeah, I feel like this is a good addition to like me working out and like eating healthier. Yeah, and it's definitely a more affordable option than to like actually go and get cold sculpting, because cold sculpting is around like $1,000 at like minimum. So that's a big difference compared to this, which is like $99 on Amazon. So yeah, yeah, so I haven't even opened it yet, as you can see. So I'm going to open it live with you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh, and if you're not subscribed yet or anything, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, you know, all that stuff that all the YouTubers say. Do that now, okay? Follow me. Okay. Okay, so here you go. Let's take off this little piece. Here's the box. I already pre-cut it, so yeah. Okay, so big box. Okay, so it comes with some packaging stuff. I'm gonna move that. This is a little measurer for your body fat. So you could like adjust it and then see how much fat you actually do have on your body. It comes with instructions, which is great because I don't know how the hell to use this. Great. And here is the little massager thingy. So you could like, you know, massage the area or whatever. So it comes in a little baggie. And then I don't know what this is for, but it comes with this thingy. Oh, actually, this is the tape measure thing. It's in here tight. Oh, I lost the nail. Oh my gosh. Okay, whatever. So much for that. Where's the scissors? Okay, great. I honestly want to re-record this over, but forget it. Okay. So yeah, so tape measure, so you can measure your waist and stomach. So you would put this part on like the side of your waist or whatever, and then just pull it around. Or yeah, great. Okay, so that's that. Then comes with a little contact us if there's any like issues or anything, so that's good. And then here is the ice pack thingy, or yeah. So this is what you would put into the fridge, the freezer, and let it, you know, get frozen. Yeah, this is pretty heavy. I cannot imagine having this all around my stomach. It's gonna be hella cold, but girls gotta do what girls gotta do, okay? Trying to be fine all summer 2020. So yeah, And this is the last piece that is inside of here. So I can put this box down now. Okay. And this is the belt. So it kind of looks like a sweatband type of belt. This is it. Let's see. Yeah, it looks just like the Sweet Sweat. I think that's what it's called, or something sweat heat or something. Band. Except for, oops, dropped something. Okay. Another contact card. So great. So you just pull this off. There we go. So the only difference between the regular belt and this one is that there is a pouch right here. Yep. And here. And that is where the ice packs would go. So boom, boom. And then you would, after you put the ice packs in, of course, you would go ahead and just take it and wrap it around your waist area. So you just, yeah. And then just, you know, let it thaw, let you freeze. Freeze your fat. So, yeah, this is gonna be quite interesting. I'm really excited to see the results for this. It does take 12 weeks, so at bare minimum. So it will be a little minute until I come back with an update for this. I might try to do like maybe like a 6-week update, and then do a 12, then do the full 12, and show like my final results from there. Yeah. But mind you, I work out. I don't do anything crazy. I just go to the gym for at least 30 minutes, 4 times a week. So nothing too crazy. For 30 minutes, I just get on the treadmill, get on a little bicycle. Like, I don't do much. You know. So then I do monitor like what I eat. I cut bread out my diet, so no carbs, stuff like that. And I try to eat more like vegan food and fish. So I typically just eat a lot of salmon. Yeah. Then I also started waist training. So I do wear a waist trainer all day long. So, and I got this off Amazon as well, so I could put the link below. I like this waist trainer. It is a little bulky for me though, so I want to get another one that's kind of a little slimmer, and I could actually wear, like, you know, outside, like in like a dress or something, or tight, like fitting kind of outfits. So yeah. Anyways, so yeah, that's the Isavera kit. Everything it comes with. And yeah, I'll be back with an update. I'm excited. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll be answering comments. Yeah. Bye.